Going into town on a cold and busy day. With a brand new jacket on, you ran and did not come home to me. And I don't know where you said you went off to. I don't know where to begin. I have no hope of finding you. You should really know that I do love you. That's what you said, just what you said. I want to believe you, but it's hard to do. I find relief if I choose not to believe. I want to see you, but you want to see me. You know that I've been waiting all this time just for your call. I'm afraid that you won't stop to remember me. That's why I just can't bring myself to send the call. Then you came around and you stood in front of me. You said, I'm sorry that I'm late. I'm sorry that I made you have to wait. But you know that I won't forget this refrain. 'Cause I know how this thing goes. I know you will be late again.
We have to go and buy her and food supplies. I'm so much committed out the door.
Okay, me too. Bye.
I'm going to make you a,
Wishing the well, don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as a friend, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, turning you down for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, red jeans, skin was showing, hot night wind was blowing. Where do you think you're going, baby? Boy, look at that body. Boy, look at that body. I work out. Oh, look at that body. Oh, look at that body. Oh, look at that body. I work out. My purse.
yeah, something first.
Oh. Okay. I'll look for it later. And just nope. But maybe speak my mind. Here's I would be funny to sing a little song about you. So, here it goes. I'm your greatest fan. I say if I until you love me. If paparazzi. Ivan Spillers has nothing on me. So, just love me. Promise I'll be true. And I will love you. Still hope when you off my back. Baby, you're a country, I'm just a nomination. So, can you love me? Yeah. I do like to dress up. So, yeah. Hopefully, Alfred's not gonna kill me for this. Bye.